Yeah, go berserk, yeah. Split on a dick, yeah.
Welcome to the house party. Okay.
So right here we got,
We got the girls' rules. First, take 2 shots to enter. Save the drama. Don't start. Wait, what you say?
oh my god, you fucking idiot.
What does that say?
Yeah. Save the drama for your mama.
Right.
Don't get drunk and start crying. Don't come to be shy, bitch. If you throw up, make it look classy, ho.
Nasty but classy.
Sober. You can't go to sleep.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, come to the candy table. We got
Giving y'all
very much. You bitches can never.
Right.
You bleep
Oh,
can never.
yeah, right. All that good stuff.
Hope she here. Details. Get all up in there. Don't forget bed.
Okay. Yes.
A lot of you can never.
Right.
You feel me? Like I cannot. Let's get into it.
Where do y'all do this at?
Come on, man. We got.
The gifts for our guests. Okay. With the names. That's art.
I'll get into this. Sip and chill. Hold on. Stay right there. That's
Rose. What?
Ooh, see that?
Clear. That shit clear.
We got some chicken. I'm gonna say half fried, half buffalo, I'm guessing. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. We got some macaroni and cheese.
Ooh.
Stop playing with them.
Y'all can't do this.
Stop playing with them.
Show the menu. Show the menu.
Oh, don't forget the menu.
Okay, you got the mac and cheese buffalo wing. Okay. Period.
Just tune in. Let's go pick these bitches up.
Do they have to say their name?
Yeah, don't say anything.
Okay, say your name.
Right now.
She said not right now. Next person?
It's Johnny G.
Say your name. She's camera shy. Say your name. Say your name.
Naja.
Charisma. We have
Naya.
Next to the G. We got Kiara.
Taylor Tanat. Mercedes. Helena. Said Nana. You can call me that. Bree.
What's up?
Over there. I'm at the gang. I'm at the mom. Leg. Why the fuck are you in jeans? Period. Hard shit, okay? Okay, Yanni.
Moving. My shit moving tonight because it's loose.
Period. Look at that.
I want to twerk. I want to shake my ass.
Hey.
Period.
Yo, y'all put a towel right there. Yo.
Period. Oh. Shake that ass. Shake it. Shake that ass. Shake it. Hey.
Off the lick yet. What the fuck?
Bitch, was you here when they was talking about me while I was in the shower?
No.
Girl, they was talking about me while I was in the shower.
What they was saying?
They was mad because I was showering.
No.
Baby girl, when you gonna learn? That is not your nigga shit.
Hold on.
These niggas for everybody. These niggas for everybody. It's you for everybody.
Hold on.
Don't even know you. No contact, no what it look like. That is the winners in now. Telling you supposed to be the nigga come rag on you down bad and you crazy. That club cause I fight for mine. You seasonal. Part time you get fucked up fucking with mine, you little bitch.
Okay. Okay, period.
Working bitch, do a split on that dick. I'm a savage. Ha, fuck it up. Dick open in your pump. Never scared of the dick, pull up. You talking that shit, what's up? My shit get wet, no dope. And my ass on fat and poke.
Oh, that's in Nicole in the building.
No, Davi left the chat. What happened?
One bitch drunk, other bitch fake drunk. Y'all been low-key with it all. They was sucking hella shit. Let's go. Okay, go ahead. Period.
I'll stop pussy, but this ain't cheating on God. Abracadabra got rappers and trappers, man. I got some tricks up my sleeve. What? Damn. Oh, I gotta come over here. Ah. Yes, sir. Show a little preview what they gonna get, my guy. Little preview. Yeah. Fucking on the scamming ass rich ass nigga. Saying you was bitches, they don't add it to the picture. Fake ass soul. I'm the realest bitch ever seen fake ass hoes. Act up, you can get on my stack up. Tired ass hoes. I'm on way trying to track up. Brand new chase. 3 days going tight. I keep a baby Glock. I ain't fighting with no head, no period. You bitches weak and you serious. It's fine. Hey. You got me Gucci up.
It's this for me. Yo, I'm dying.
You fucking me and sucking me.
Listen, bitch, that's because of me. Act up, we go.
Act up, you can get some work with the carpet. Maybe you get rough with me, but I can't get a rock with the best. Y'all mad my sister.
All in the YouTube Pokemon.
Get your free subs. Not for me though.
This video sponsored by Jersey Mike.
Yo, we got hella Jersey Mike sandwiches over there.
Suck my dick. I'm not eating my shit.
Monty said, yeah, I work there, bitch.
Let me see. How she going off? Yo, Rose. You don't get in trouble, nigga.
Where Rose at?
Hey, where Rose at? Hey.
Yo, bitch had 3 shots. She was wilding over there. She in the corner.
two new people in here.
Yes, it is.
Oh, she laughing.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yes. Like that. This is not funny.
No, she just thinks like.
Like, who is he talking to?
Not my mother.
Done.
Well, eat you up on this floor for real. Chillin'. She wanna be in it so bad. Like, she wanna be in it so bad. We have these three. Fashionably late.
Still done up, y'all. But y'all get the point. Oh, I got this hat on because it's over, y'all. No. Oh my god. So y'all. Oh look, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all like this video. I don't know why she's touching me. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all want to see. If y'all want to see something else. This is the after. Oh, I'm gonna drop the camera on her face, y'all. If I drop the camera on her face, she's mad. But y'all, that's the end of this video. It's probably the end of this video. I might pull my camera back up, but it's dying right now, so it might turn on.
My whole tripod is in this plate with us. Look how much chicken we got left, y'all. We don't got no garbage bag, and y'all made this much of a mess. They going to sleep. They said you should never came through the lift, right? You should never came through the lift. Oh. I'm gonna be recording y'all. Bitch, go to sleep. Who wants cushions? I don't really give a fuck. You want cushions, Tamayo? Cushions. On the couch. Go to sleep, but you fall asleep. Oh, it's a whole plate on the floor. Oh my god. I just really want y'all to see the after effect of this party, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Like, this is unacceptable, bro. This is what happens. This is what happens. Look, it's just everything on the floor. Yummy. Done. That's the police department coming. He said, officer, call me and your mother.
So y'all, I'm not sure if I ended this out or I don't remember, but I swear I could have sworn I did it, but I don't see it in there, so I'm guessing I didn't end this out. But yeah, that was the girls' night. I hope you guys like that. Come on, man, focus. Yeah, hope you guys like that. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe on that, and turn on my post notifications because it's getting lit. That's not the only thing that we gonna be doing, bro. That's not the only thing that we gonna be doing. So I'm gonna need y'all to turn that post notifications on. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Hope y'all like it, and tell me what else y'all want to see. Hopefully I can get it done. No, I am gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done. But yeah, that was it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Because we was lit. We was lit for y'all, and we was lit for us too. We was really lit for y'all. Bye, y'all.